Okay, so here's a question on data, mean, median, mode by the looks of it, things like that. And let's dive straight in. The mean of 7 integers is 14. Now there is a formula in the formula book saying that the mean, given by x bar, is the sum of all the x's divided by n. And that's just a fancy way of saying that we get the mean of 14 by adding up all of the numbers and dividing them by 7. So can you see that the total amount that the numbers have to add up to is 7 times 14, which is 98. So that gives us a bit of a helping hand in terms of finding a way forward. So all of those numbers added together have to equal to 98. So we've got 9 plus 10. I'll do all the numbers first, plus 13, plus 16, plus 21, plus A plus B have to be 98. When you add up these numbers here, that's 20, 30, 40, 49, 50, 60, 69. And you see that A plus B have got to equal the difference between 98 and 69. So can you see that actually we need to have the condition by which A plus B equals to 29, alright? So basically now we're just going to have to find by guessing and checking, which two numbers A plus B have to add to give 29. Now what people forgot, I think, for this was that these numbers here, the question does tell you they're arranged in ascending order, so they're getting bigger. So this is just guess and check. What we have to have here is, if you pause to have a little think about it, can you see that A here has got to be 10 or bigger, because maybe we can have ties, and B here has got to be less than or equal to 16. Alright, so it doesn't tell us that A and B have got to be different from the other two numbers, but we've just got to say that A and B are being arranged in size order. So then we just try it, maybe a little table here. A could be 10, 11, 12, 13. So you've just got to play with it now. And then B has got to add up to 29. So B's got to be 19, or maybe 18, or maybe 17, or maybe 16. So can you see that we know that B's got to be less than or equal to 16, so it can't be any of these. And A has got to be less than or equal to 13, so it looks like it's got to be this one. Okay, so A equals 13 and B equals 16.